Let's discuss coolest gadgets you will appreciate. All gadgets, links in, comment, and description. Let's start the video. Evil Eye 1020X. Zoom Macro Lens Kit for smartphones. A powerful tool for anyone wanting to dive into macro photography without a DSLR. This lens, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and premium 3-layer coated glass, enhances clarity and reduces distortion, making your photos stunningly vibrant. You can smoothly adjust from 10 to 20x magnification, revealing ultra-close details like flower petals, insect wings, or the fine texture of jewelry. With an f1.05 aperture, it handles low-light situations impressively, adding a creamy bokeh to the background for that professional touch. Pros: it's universally compatible with almost all smartphones and offers dual usage modes. Use it with your phone camera or attach the eye cup for naked eye observation. Cons: it doesn't work on iPhone minis or SE models and may require disabling the phone's native macro mode on newer iPhones and Galaxy models. Next, Klein Tools TI-222 Thermal Imager for iOS devices. This compact, high-resolution device captures thermal images in stunning detail with 10,800 pixels, making it perfect for pinpointing hot and cold spots in various settings. The TI-222 offers a wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, displayed in 3 color palettes: iron bow, rainbow, and grayscale, so you can choose the best visual for your needs. It's designed to fit most phone cases, but you might need to remove thicker ones for a snug fit. With touchscreen temperature readouts, adjustable high-low alarms, and time-lapse capture, you can monitor temperature shifts precisely and share your images and videos effortlessly. Pros: include its exceptional image clarity, easy sharing and storage options, and compatibility with all iOS 11 Plus devices. Cons: it may require removing thick phone cases, and it's limited to iOS, leaving Android users out. Next, Newbealer Travel Iron with Dual Voltage, a compact, ultralight solution for wrinkle-free clothes on the go. This mini iron weighs less than a pound and fits easily into any suitcase, yet still packs a punch with 300 watts of power and a non-stick ceramic sole plate for smooth, fast ironing on almost any fabric. With a dual voltage switch, it's designed for international travel, easily adjusting between 100V and 240V. Just bring along an adapter. Heating up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes, it makes dry ironing a breeze and comes with a silicone stand to keep surfaces safe. Pros: it's incredibly compact, heats up quickly, and has a ceramic sole plate that glides smoothly and resists scratches. Cons: no steam feature, so it may struggle with deep wrinkles, and thicker fabrics might need a bit more attention. Next, ProtoArc Wireless Bluetooth. Trackball Mouse EM01, an ergonomic marvel designed to reduce wrist strain by letting your thumb do the work. With its sleek purple ball, RGB lighting options, and adjustable angle, this mouse makes long work or gaming sessions a breeze. It's a multitasker's dream, supporting 3 device connections with both Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless, so you can switch between devices seamlessly. Plus, the built-in 900 mAh battery lasts up to a month on a single charge when the lights are off, so you won't be constantly plugging it in. Pros: its ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue, it supports multiple devices, and the 3 DPI levels offer customizable precision. Cons: the back and forward buttons aren't fully compatible with Mac, and the RGB lighting might drain battery faster. Next, Sierra Modern Home Smart Wi-Fi Essential Oil Aromatherapy Diffuser. This sleek, dark brown diffuser not only adds a touch of elegance to your decor, but also integrates seamlessly into your smart home. With a generous 400 milliliters water tank, it offers up to 12 hours of continuous mist, allowing you to enjoy your favorite essential oils all day long. Simply download the companion app to control everything from LED colors and mist intensity to scheduling and timers, or use your voice with Alexa or Google Home for hands-free operation. Pros: include its easy app integration, long-lasting mist, and the ability to create custom schedules, making aromatherapy effortlessly convenient. Cons: the setup process might be a little challenging for non-tech savvy users, and it requires Wi-Fi for full functionality. Which gadget do you like the most? I'd love to know your choice, so comment below. Next, 6-inch magnetic chess set, the perfect travel companion for chess lovers. This innovative chess set rolls up into a hard shell, keeping all your pieces in place for instant play. Forget about tedious setup time. Simply unroll the compact design design measuring 7.5 inches long and 6 inches wide, and you're ready to strategize. Weighing only a few ounces, it fits easily into your bag, making it ideal for road trips, beach days, or park outings. Plus, with its durable design that interlocks on 6 different planes, you can trust that it will stand up to your adventures. Pros: its portability, no setup required, and premium build quality are unbeatable. Plus, it comes with extra queens for those intense games. Cons: the smaller size might not be ideal for serious players who prefer a larger board, and the lack of engravement may not suit everyone's taste. Next, NEEWER HD Telephoto lens, specifically designed for 17mm thread backplates. This powerful lens provides an impressive 7x magnification, allowing you to capture stunning, detailed shots from up to several miles away. Perfect for wildlife, sports, or breathtaking landscapes. Imagine using your phone as a telescope or monocular to get up close to the action, whether at a concert or sporting event. Crafted from premium HD optical glass with 15 elements in 12 groups, this lens ensures crystal clear images, while its durable, lightweight aluminum design means you can shoot comfortably for hours. Pros: it delivers fantastic magnification, fits various phone cages, and boasts high-quality optical performance. Cons: it's only compatible with 17mm threaded attachments, so ensure your gear matches. Plus, you'll need to pair it with a tripod for added stability to avoid shakes. Next, OLIGHT Sphere Smart Night Light, the perfect blend of functionality and fun. This compact lamp may be small, but it packs a punch with a bright 75 lumens output and stepless dimming options, allowing you to customize your lighting to suit any mood. The innovative app control lets you adjust brightness, switch between 20 different lighting modes, and even engage in a bash-a-mole game for a playful twist. With its 360-degree light-emitting surface and transparent shell, it provides a warm and inviting glow that's ideal for relaxation, parties, or as a charming nightlight. Plus, it's portable at just 3.2 ounces, making it a great companion for camping or travel. Pros: it offers versatile color options, long battery life of up to 40 hours, and the ability to group control multiple units for an immersive lighting experience. Cons: the reliance on an app might be a hurdle for those who prefer simplicity, and while it's perfect for small spaces, it may not illuminate larger areas as effectively. Next, OXS Thunder Pro Gaming Soundbar, an absolute game changer for any serious gamer looking to elevate their audio experience. With a powerful 160 watts output and a stunning 1.2 Dolby Atmos surround sound system, this soundbar utilizes 8 finely tuned drivers to create a multi-dimensional soundscape, making it easy to detect enemies approaching from every angle. It features 3 specialized gaming modes. FPS mode sharpens the sound of footsteps for tactical advantages. RAEC mode amplifies vehicle sounds for an exhilarating racing experience, and MOBA mode enhances clarity for critical team communications. The sleek floor-standing design integrates seamlessly with your gaming setup, while Bluetooth 5.0 and HDMI connectivity ensure easy connections to all your devices. Pros include the immersive sound quality that truly brings games to life, the versatility in connectivity, and the dedicated gaming modes tailored for competitive play. Cons might be its size, as it requires some floor space, and it may not fit well in smaller setups. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.